Hello, do you sell cameras? I want to shoot 120 film and I want to buy a medium format camera. Yeah. I'm a YouTuber, so I know all about cameras. What have you got then? The guy from Baywatch's camera. How much is that? You got anything cheaper? What's your best price on that? Now Jerry, you're gonna be a good girl. I'm gonna take a photo. No. You stay there. Now sit. Oh, Jerry. Sit, Jerry. I've got to get down low. You stay there. My hand is 2 meters, so you need to go a bit further back, Jerry. You're not going to go further back, so I'll go bloody back. That's about 3 meters. You ready? With the lemon there too. Hey, you want to go? I don't know if that turned out or not. Let's do one for prosperity. I always thought that 120 film was for professionals with those big boxed cameras. But I was reading it was actually really designed for amateurs, and it was only later that it was replaced by 35mm as the choice film for the amateurs. So this is my first foray into 120 film. I got no idea what I'm doing, but that's the whole fun part of it. Fujifilm Pro 400, ISO 400. Forever I thought this film was old, this film was for full-on professionals with their big bloody David Hasselhoff cameras and Rolleiflex cameras, those big box ones, but amateurs can use it too, I guess. It's just that if you can afford one of those medium format cameras. So this is the HOLGA camera, and it's the best entry-level medium format toy. I mean, it really is just a bloody toy. It's just a big black plastic box with a hole in it. Everything's plastic. Now I've got to get this into there. It's 3 meters. Yes, Jerry, 3 meters. Yeah, it's about, sorry, 3 feet. That's 3 feet, Jerry. Yes. And I'm at F11. Yes, that's a good one, Jerry. All right, that's enough. That's 2 shots. I've got 10 to go. The slot position there. Load in subdued light. In goes there. Steady as she goes there, Captain. All right. Part 1 is over. Second part, put this back on, and I bend them in a little bit to give you that bit more. That's it, that's in tight now. Go slow, and we're moving and we're looking here for some numbers. Bloody hell, how long do we have to go? So that should be ready for my first shot. So another hot tip is you get a little band-aid or something. I've just got these little stickamajigs here, the Velcro things, and I just cover the hole like that. The red hole there, the viewfinder. And then when you want to see what number you're up, just peel it back. A lot of people I've seen sticky tape the entire bloody thing, or all around and everywhere, but stuff that. It's good enough just to do it like this, because I'm going to need it. I'm expecting light leaks. I'm expecting out of focus. God knows. So just as a reminder, and it makes for a good little handle too. Good luck, Rob. FUJICOLOR 120 Pro 400 ISO HOLGA 120N toy camera. Hi! Konnichiwa! Hayoma! Hareba! That was Japanese. It's from China. Now I've got to figure out exposure. Sunny 16. Now the problem is I've got bloody ISO 400 film in here. It's colour, so it's forgiving. So on a sunny day, it'll be f16 shutter speed 1/500 because it's ISO 400 film. It's a cloudy day, so I need to let more light in. So I'll drop the aperture down by opening it up to f11 by one stop. So good, I'm happy there now, because this thing has a setting for cloudy, which is f11. So now I need to get to 1/100 speed, because that's all this bloody shutter speed does. Let's think about it then. Jerry, this is doing my head in. Now it's really cloudy, so I can go down one more stop, because like full on, it's 6 o'clock, you know, and instead of taking it from the aperture, I'll take it from the shutter speed, because it's the shutter speed that I need to get down. So I can go down to 1/250 on a really, really cloudy day. Because the ISO is so high, I'll stick to f11. Well, seriously, I've got no choice with this stupid thing. That's why I wrote here, good luck. Hey Jerry, where are you? Hey, you come here and you go sit over there. Yeah. I'm at Parramatta Park. I'm trying to go to Wisteria Gardens. I've got my HOLGA toy camera. I thought I might take some spring photos. There's a nice jacaranda just here. This toy camera is just a bit of a entry level into 120 film. Far better than buying one of those Hasselblad, you know, $50,000 cameras. I mean, I know there are cheaper medium format cameras out there, but first time I'll give it this little HOLGA, and it's a bit of a cult classic. You gonna help me take photos today? No. Jacarandas, they only last about 2 weeks, and then all the purple leaves drop. But have a look at that. That's amazing. First stop up of the day. I had it in close-up focus when I was taking a shot of Jerry. Anyway, let's try that again. I've only got 9 shots bloody now. Put it in infinity focus, the little mountain, the tree overarching. What do you reckon, Jerry? Come on, Jerry. Let's go and check out the garden. And that's enough. Now, Jerry, we've got to go back because we forgot the bloody camera. Yes, Jerry, I know. That's how you do the shot. That suited the bells. It's a bit spooky. Well, it was just Halloween, I guess. You want to take a shot of the vampires? Look, Jerry. There's just bats everywhere. There's a good shot over here, but I need to get back because this 60 millimeters. I know, Jerry, you got ants in your pants and you want to go for a walk. But I gotta take the photos, Jerry. Over here, Jerry. You know, when you get down Shit, did I advance the film? I can't remember. Click. Done, Jerry, done. All right, don't forget to advance the film, Jerry. Number 6. Number 7. So the HOLGA came out in '82 from Hong Kong, and the Chinese, they wanted some sort of cheap camera for the general public. They decided to market it to the West, and an instant cult classic was born. Because I think mainly because of the stupidity of it. It's just a hole in a box, in a plastic box with a plastic lens. But it's the 120. I reckon it was just because the 120 film. That's what. I mean, if it had 35mm film on it, no one would give a shit. I think what people like, they wanted to rebel against the system. It was the 80s and people were rebelling, so they said, stuff you, perfection. We want imperfection. So they like the light leaks, they like the imperfections, they like, you know, everything bad about it was good. Without a tilty screen, it's near impossible. So I want to get like it's all hit and miss. It's all fun and games with the HOLGA 120. There's a nice house over there. Oh, let's see what the old HOLGA can do here. Jerry, hey, I'll do a tippy tail, Jerry. Hey, there's a man who just walked past. Jerry, this way. Hey, are you enjoying the HOLGA? Who knows how this is turning out? Jerry, wait. Jerry, you want it? I was trying to think of get some colour. There's a little bit of colour over there. And there's the jacaranda there. Because I've got the FUJICOLOR film. Thinking maybe the buildings with the jacaranda. Getting the composition, it's not easy. It's bloody 6x6. I don't mind 6x6. Let's get that girl there. Got her. You found something? Sir, I have the honour to inform you that His Excellency the Governor has purchased for use of this government a farm of the land from Mr. George Salter. There you go, Jerry. This is Mr. Salter's house. Let's go see if he's home. It might be a little bit late. Oh, look, over here, Jerry. Look at the purple flowers. Yeah, you go explore. Maybe the tree. Jerry, is anyone home? I remember these. My family in Italy used to have one. You do the laundry. I'm up to shot 10 here now. The framing, the eyepiece sucks. Can't see shit. And also, I think what happens, it's obviously not a real rangefinder. It's, who knows if I'm framing it up properly or not. Leading lines. Up here, up. I actually moved it back into sunny mode, which is F8. I just mixed it up a bit. Took some at F8, took some at F11. I mean, I don't even know if this stupid F8 or F11 even is real or not. It's just a stupid little switch here. So I'm overthinking it. Hey Jerry, I've been overthinking it since I bought the bloody thing. The idea is just to get out there, have fun, and don't worry about it. And so now on my last shot, hey Jerry, what am I going to do? What about this gnarled up Port Moresby fig? Hey Gigi, what do you want to do? We'll take a photo of that. What do you reckon? All right, you go play. Go play, Jerry. I'll take a photo of this. All right, last shot. Careful, Jerry. And I'll get Jerry in there as well. Why not? Ready, Jerry? It's my cake, not your cake. You want a little bit. Very spongy. Oh, Jerry. Yeah, so the HOLGA, it's alright. I don't know. I haven't looked at the photos yet, but I mean, it's all Lomo type stuff. Hey Jerry, you know, you can get artistic with it. There's a couple of guys on YouTube who've printed them out. They're that good, some of the photos. You can use it in your portfolio, I guess. Finish up with a coffee and a bit of cake and a little sit-upon. And I haven't developed them yet. I don't know how they're going to turn out, but if you're watching this, then they worked. If they didn't work, no, that doesn't make sense. Why didn't you tell me that you got a new job? Yeah? Was that you at that shop? I thought I recognized you. Funny enough, I was scouring the internet for a backdrop of a Photoshop, you know, with old cameras, and you would not believe it, the one that was perfect for Jerry to sit upon was the shop that I actually processed my film at in Newtown. That's bizarre. It's a sign. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. You ready, Jerry? Let's go. Hey Jerry, we had a good day out vlogging. Yes, and you're tired now, aren't you, Jerry? You're sleepy. Yes, a good girl, Jerry. Huh? You're tired now. Yes, Jerry. You're always laughing. Jerry. You're tired now, Jerry. Jerry. Hey, you cheeky girl.